Do you eat doubles?
Baby.
What?
Do you eat doubles?
I love doubles.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Doubles is like fucking. No, seriously. Doubles in Trinidad is like jerk chicken in Jamaica.
You remove your pussy hole and come down.
That's why when he said jerk chicken or curry chicken, I had to take the shot.
Yeah, mad.
Right? Dream champs forever.
But you fuck with doubles. What's your favorite version of doubles?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
My favorite version of doubles is the one that dude don't like.
You're not going nowhere. And that's also true.
People, you don't know, You don't know me the facts, I'll come for talk facts. You understand? When I there for talk trash, you see it. Yeah, man. But just to the video a while ago, you see me? Yeah, cause just step on the internet, one bag of meme and I said one bag of shit. You understand? Yeah, man. But you don't know, we got the people and we got the supporters, them same speed, you see me? Yeah, man. Respect to everybody. You understand? Yeah, man. We got the Gaza fans, them same way, cause you don't know. Although they not support them artist album. You see me? Cause over the years, me tell them, they don't really care about Kartel music, You understand? They don't support it. And the reason why they support it back then at Dream their prison. You understand? Yeah, man. That is it. So, if you don't realize, Vybz Kartel drop an album, same Vikings, in 2015, zine, and it go on number 3 on a Billboard chart. Right? Forward into 2025 now, Vikings again, 10-year anniversary, zine. Get to find out, say, the album go on Billboard chart, number 10. So you know, say if you divide 3 out of 10, so you know it gone left 7. So it show you say, nothing now go on with the music, people stop tuning into music. You understand? You know what people are tuning into? Him lifestyle. Whatever go on and I post over and I repost in the media. You understand? And this is the thing over the years. Gaza fans only beat people when them attack them opinion or them attack facts. But them not beat them money go buy the album. You understand? Because them better focus on them artists album and stop pressure people or stop one like them in them emotions and every little thing. You see me? Right now, if album could have sell this way, right? If album could have say, yo, Vybz Kartel there Florida, him get a Louis V bag. That's a number 1. Vybz Kartel buy a Porsche. Number 2, say that at the track. Trust me. Controversy. Remember me tell you it go sell. Yeah, man, it go sell. But you realize the music from him forward out and people wonder, no? You don't wonder why when him come out, the music not really like that. You always wonder. But the thing is that over the years, Kartel music always push over controversy. You understand? So if you realize him kind of go up in an age now, so the quality and voice and every little thing, you know really did it. Is what I try to say. So when that kind of gone, you realize the music thing kind of well done. You understand? Cause the music when I release, imagine that man 10-year-old album was number 3 in a 2015 zine. And we get in a 2025 the thing on a 10. No man. The Gaza fans them not do the man away. Chacha. We not do the man away for real. You see me? We not do the man away. Uno could have do better. Better than this. You understand? You can't have a man spend 13 years in a prison. And the man found out. And the man make a man get number 10. No man, enough to do better, man. I remember one time when him in a prison and post up and think on him IG and him say, yo, they not support the music, they not buying an album or whatsoever. You understand? But you know buy the controversy. Like, we defend him to the T, but why you can't defend buying the sales of the album? How I want? We don't rate an artist. Eh? We don't downgrade the man thing. Because one of the man, if they are 3 and the man going way down a 10, how I go on? We need to do better, man. You see it? And listen, you understand? Stop traumatizing yourself and emotions that cuss off people and want. Go cuss off the album and buy it. You understand? Yeah, man. So when I realize if I'm Kartel go on a foreign, see? Some people attack about, yo, dancehall, dancehall I reach higher heights and, yo, body could do this and, You see Khaled buy much, buy one little bag. Everybody I say, yo, I want you. Man buy bag, you know, them a throw shades for move or whatsoever, rare. Zin? And if I look on it, I say, yo, them people are this overrated thing. Sometimes I wonder, like, wait, a Kartel alone go foreign and get Louis V or Louis V bag? Or what go on? You don't understand? How much artists link with Khaled? How much artists live with Khaled? And then now, yeah man, you know the guy of fans ever say, my bad mind. Yeah man, check your comment, don't just comment. I'm not gonna say my bad mind. You understand? Cause you don't realize say, you not set up an artist. Every time you talk, you set him up. You understand? And this is what do. See there? See the result here? From him forward out. Zine? From Kartel forward out. And a little controversy. Zine? Remember you know, the artist now fight to be in the media like him. You understand? Yeah. The media, the page him. Zine? The page him and post him. Every little thing. He might post up himself. The little saga and every little thing. Just in the media just a flush. See? So them say, yeah man, he might run the dance hall and thing and he might run the place. Yeah, he might run the place. He might go easily run the place. You know why? Because he in business out there. Him put in business out there. You understand? He might always have him phone, he might always have video. You understand? Remember you know, you have to understand say, it's different from when a man there road for 13 years from when a man see 13 years. You understand? In father road, getting visa, go foreign, rare. Remember, say it's not a norms if a man just fall from prison, rare, and just go foreign, so in a short space of time. Him always talk about it. You understand? Him always talk about it. So, we're not going like say, yo, it's a regular day thing, like, if no other artists go do that and go in a prison for 13 years and forward and go foreign or whatsoever. No other artists never do that. I him alone do it. So, we never make it look like, say, it's a big thing. You understand? Nobody have the powers like him. You see? Nobody have the powers. You see me? Because if you want to support him music, when they are out every day, I chase and I cuss off people. Because I realize, you know, I not see no woman I cuss off for Kartel, you know. I be a man. You don't know how to do it. If you check your media right now, I be a man. I cuss a defend a man. Be a man. You hardly can find a woman I fall out and I try defend Kartel. You see me? All if woman do forward at 1%. You understand? The other 99 are be a man. Somebody tell me I wonder, the man them a talk loud, the man them a trace. I say, brother, we don't have no woman. Eh? We don't have no woman. Somebody tell me I have to wonder. You see it? I have to wonder some my time. Them man ya, jaja. But this is the thing, you know, people. They have some show following up, you know. And people are going to wait for see what him can do. You understand? Because I know, you know, sometimes I some sorry for thing, you know. You see it? And when you do it, show them. I hope everything do well. You understand? I hope everything do well. You see it? Because nobody can talk, you know. Nobody have to talk. A lot of things them hide, you know. They not talk the truth. Because if you realize the album where go number 10 on Billboard, real, it sell about less than 2,000 copies. You hear what I say? Less than 2,000 copies. People, remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. Is what I try to say? Yeah. Gaza fans don't have to subscribe to, you know. You see it? Because I know when I love watching people and we are beat on artists. You understand? I realize I know comment under them post them more. Zane? Yeah man. Like up the life to Gaza fans. Yo, people them to support the thing. Zane? So, the man dropped number 10 on the Billboard charts, right? Okay, no, number 10. From 3 to 10. Jano Gaza fans. Nah, the man good enough. Is what I try to say? And, you what tell me say? Remember in our 10-year anniversary, you know? Gaza fans only did in a 10-year. Eh? The man going to 13 year and 10 year on the album. Zine, and you tell me say, you could make a man sell over 2,000 copies. Eh? One of the greatest dancehall artists in our go so. Eh? I saw no deal with the artist. Less than 2,000 copies. Them not even say 1,500 to 2,000, man say less than 2,000. So it could have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 copies sell. It could have been any number under 2,000. Jano man. You see it? The man music is a degrade. How I go on now? What? It's like you know when you do go back to prison now for you support him. I don't want to know. Because when they support him music back then, I don't know how I go on. What go on with them music? Eh? Jano. Man, I'll go up on stage and you not even remember his song, or not even help him. Is what I try to say? When if you do better Gaza fan, man, if you do better man, support the man music and stop make the man thing look at shabby out there. Remember, you know, when I say the man is the greatest dancehall artist, you know. Make it show in a result, man. Make it accolade show. You see it? The man can't left on number 3. And the billboard gone to number 10. Jeez. Brother, when I make a man go down 7 step back. Eh? 7 step when I make a man go down to, you know. Is what I'm trying to say? But the thing is that, you know. You know what? From Kartel fall from prison, I just be a controversy thing, you know. It's like, I realize, you see, because them say dancehall did lack of prison. See? Lack of prison, you know. So, dancehall forward out now. But, I wonder if it's a different dancehall or what, cause if you dancehall forward the road, what happened for dancehall now? What really going on dancehall? Dancehall don't love and hip hop now? Eh? Are that it turn now? Eh? People want vehicle. Zine, people are get this. Buckler buy. Man get Louis V bag. Man get Visa. Man got Grammy. And expect to get Grammy with the album when nobody know. Grammy don't know him. Zine. Are that dancehall gone to now? So wait there. So dancehall. A one man a carry dancehall on him back now. Eh? So wait there. The man never drop song when he in a prison. So why difference with no more? That more understand. To be honest, people. This is what me I say. At the age of 48, right? How long you think Kartel can survive for when it comes to music? Cause remember you know, for example, Zane as an album 2015, number 3 and it gone at 10. Remember you know? Tell me where Kartel can do for dancehall now to the world, carry to the world. Zane? When can do for dancehall now? When can uplift dancehall? Remember, from 3 to 10. Tell me what am I gonna do? Zine? It show you the value of the music, the attention. Zine? The ear listen to the music, it drop way off. You understand? Remember when I see him album from 3 to 10, you know. Remember, you know, people. This me I try one the guys of him know say. I know bad mind thing this, you know. You understand? I just want to know. Me I try me gonna understand something. Tell me if Kartel have an album from 2015 with Engineer Vikings and a 10-year anniversary in 2025 and it drop at number 10. Tell me what Kartel can really do. Cause what Kartel do right now, the man just to me, man just live him life, he just link up with people who not link over the years. See? When I have nothing to do with dancehall. See? So, when can really do? If his music is lack of attraction right now, nobody now feed into it. Because it surely show in the album. It surely show you say when him did their prison, people invest in his music more than when him there road. You understand? And remember one of the thing too, when him there prison, him release a lot of songs. You see it? Him release a lot of songs because him have the time. Him sit down in himself and do what him for do. Is what I'm trying to say? So him can send out all 50 songs one time because he don't really have nothing to do in a prison. Like when him there road, him have to go here so him have to do so. You see? That's why I'm could you know this when him father road now. Him not have to do no one bag of song or whatsoever. You see it? So him done, him have him catalog. Him can live off of that right now. See? But this bring dancehall to a next level. Tell me now, the degree of the music, you know, there no more. You see me? Cause back then, him have a more interest in it, him have the more effort back then, the more dedication back then. We have to put in our music. Remember, nobody couldn't see him, you know. See? People are seeing him now. But the way they must see him, they must see him physically because they not see him for 13 years. So them drop the music now. Nobody not to want to see that because why? Him been dropping music for in a prison, much music him drop. People are interested to see him now and see what him gonna do. Remember say it was back then, you know, the man tell you, know, the man use rare bleach and everything and the matter about cake soup. And man say, alright, me just make a song and go sing it. And it hit. So Kartel career build up a controversy all over the years. From the man forward out, him talk about Comet, Ray, Mother True Grade, whatsoever. Him talk about Rum. All of them look at something there. Zine? And that is based off of things them we are going. You know what I try to say? So, with the music value kind of drop, and the facts that on the see it. On the see it right now. You see me? On the see it. It just not dead anymore. You see me? And then a bad mind thing I just facts. I can't believe say the Gaza fans make them artists a big artist this, you know. Oh, wanna make the man from 3 gone way a 10. Eh? Tell me now. The 10 not even good on the album, the Billboard plaque. Eh? 10 no look good, brother. A 1 digit, see eh? Look on the plaque. A 1 digit 1. I wanna make him 1 digit double 10. Is what me I try to say? You no look good, brother. You no look good. No man, you have to do better, man. You have to do better. You see it? Stop out there chase people. And talk about people bad mind and one sort of thing. You understand? One sort of thing. Can no one put every artist in a cartel foot, in a cartel shoes. And that you don't want to do. Is what me I try to say? Look on all the man's son. I'm not even support the man's son music. Man's son them have EP a come up. I don't really do. I prefer trace, especially the man them. I prefer trace people. They go support the man thing. You see me? And support him youth them music. You see me? Cause when me hear them attack on the album and me I wait and me I say, yo, Jano, what really I go on there, sir? Eh? What really I go on? Me I say, alright. Me I see, him fall back a road. Yeah, when I hype him up on every little thing. Yeah, man, I greatest artist, man. So me I say, alright. Me I go see where the Billboard or the Billboard results stay. Me I go see the greatest artist of all time. Me I go see where him I go get. Cause me I say, yo, this look like a number 1 him I get, you know. Cause me see Billboard I post him up on one bag of thing. Me I say, no man. This look evidently. Yeah man, this look. It's sure. When you look, number 10, Jaja. I say, no man, Gaza fans now, sir. You see Gaza fan on the media, and in the comments, I cuss out everybody, emotions high. Zine, I cuss out everybody for them artists. And when it comes to album sales, all less than 2,000 people buy. Jano. No man. Kartel don't have the right fans him. I tell you. He don't have the right fans him. I tell you, he don't have the right fans him. You see, don't have the right fans him at all. If I them a fans have saving life musically, I don't know what wrong with him. You see it? Yeah man. If one day Kartel can't do no show, I don't know. Or if they say, yo, you have to get one number 1 album to save your life, I don't know. Better than just find something big one hold for you, because I don't know what kind of fans him have. You see what right now they have to change Billboard into controversial or tracing or some Dilulu thing. You see it? Or some sheep worship or whatsoever. You have to change it. So do some voting. Who can trace or trace the Kartel the most? And see. Because the only way you would get number 1. You see it? Because them fans, they don't support at all. They say, if them they put the effort in a man album, it wouldn't be a number 10. This not look good. After a man going to 13 years of music, 13 years of music and hit. Just to follow to get one number 10 on the Billboard chart. No man, Gaza fans don't need to do better than this, man. You see me? So what else? So I don't understand. What else leave? See? What else leave him now? Him have a couple shows. I remember, you know. I tell him already, you know, I'm not sorry for Kartel, you know. Because the way you not go on like say, the man 100 and him healthy and him fit, you know. When him feel ready, if you perform, if you show them, you know, make sure you're not dead. If anything happen, if you hold him up. You understand? Make sure. Because when you're up on the stage, you know, I'm breathing control, you know, and heat, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. But you can't make the man a drop album. I put so much effort. 10-year anniversary and I make him man think drop a number 10. You understand? This not right, man. This not right at all. Is what I'm trying to say? You know right? You don't need to do better, Gaza fans. You see it? Stop cussing people out there in the media and support the album. Better not do that. You see me? Better not support the album them and support the man music. Zine? And make it shame the haters them. Better not do that. Zine? Stop come out and talk about this bad mind thing. Because if you don't that support the album them, Zine, and the man did that do way bigger and numbers and whatever, then we could have said, yo, John want hate you know. A bad mind. But you don't help. You don't do nothing. You don't help the man. Is what I'm trying to say? You know, come down now, man. Come down now. Man going to 13 years of music. The chance them get to release some music. I remember saying that every artist, and not even artists, nobody can really do them something there. I really, because so many time when I bring up about this 13 years, man, do it in a, behind bars and whatever, like say, and more than 1 people do it so, behind bars. How much artists drop release song from bars, like a Kartel do. You know, come down now, man. Come down now with that. This 13 years. Stop care about man in a prison and talk about this 13 years, that. The man they are road now. Not about 13 years now in prison. You understand? Cause 13 years the man come out back. And the drop him man we are number 10 on the Billboard chart. Eh? Uno worse than the hater them. I tell you no. Uno worse than the hater. Cause right now I left on the hater them. If you beat him, cause number 10 him there. You must say I wanna say greatest and this that you know. You see what me I try to say? 13 years ago on the number 1 Billboard chart. Place at number 10. Eh? Tell me now. If you do better man and stop trace people and stop cuss people and comment and all of them little thing there. Put more effort in our artist's career. Make him get a number 1. You see me? Yeah. Make him get a number 1 album. And then you can say, yo, we bad man and we hate. But you don't do that. I mean, if you not even gonna do that, you prefer trace. And cuss out people. You see me? Yeah man, I don't beat people with that, you know, but when you come to Kartel music, boy, Jano. Lots of fans, you know. Jano, you can't even see the man. Eh? Man fall out and talk about King and all them little thing there. He still don't really have the accolades to be have. He have a controversial part of dancehall, yes, and them little thing there. But you know the accolades. You know, him not tour the world yet. Him not do certain things where artists where you call great and big for do yet. Yeah, in a diaspora foreign and the locally are hard, but otherwise I'm not in the reach us yet. You see me? In the reach us yet. You see it? Cause this are the thing. Him come up on an interview with him go about when I ask him about album. And he might say, why not? So me I say, why not? Yeah, nobody know the album. Nobody know the album, you know. What they on that song there? We deserve Grammy. I don't know. We come under reggae category. Tell me. Tell me now. An album where if you ask some people who read it on the album, they can't tell you. The guys of not even support it. I don't even know what numbers he get. We don't even know what numbers the album get. See? For sure you. And that release in India prison. And then we find out him on Japanese album on number 10. You understand? And this is what the dancehall represent to tell me now. The album there, with that them the message and whatsoever, why people are listening to all them the song there. Imagine get a nominated album and win. And people like, wow. And people listen to the song like, what that? Right now, every people in, what do I call it, 13,000 or so? I think 13,000 people or whatever. If I'm not 13,000 or 1,300 people. If you listen to the album, we run the Grammy thing. The Grammy board and everything. See? Some of them not even gonna know the lyrics. They don't understand. When they listen to the song, they don't understand it. You understand? Imagine they get that and it win. People go type in the album now after listening. No, people don't understand. People over Russia. Nobody don't understand the music. You see me? Yeah. So, some of the time, I appreciate me, but people who don't know, just like, share, and subscribe, you know. Because the guys have to feel Kartel, the guys have to feel Kartel. From number 3 gone to number 10. That's a big downfall. You understand? But people who don't know, you know, big up on yourself, CSP, you see me? Like, share, and subscribe to me human tube. You understand? Yeah. Human tube, subscribe, people. See? That is it.